He's like enabled. He lives right.
What's going on? Okay.
I'm pissed.
Well, we got a call about a female beating a guy in a wheelchair.
Really, babe?
I didn't call nobody.
Nobody beat nobody.
I'm just telling you that's the call, and then I see you and jumping through a car window. So help me try to figure out what's going on.
No, we're just arguing.
His
I
dad.
don't know why anybody said that.
We have not seen him in like literally 6 months. His dad escalates everything.
Okay. What's your
I'm
first
pissed.
name, ma'am? Just so I know
I'm
I'm talking.
super
What's your name,
pissed.
sir? Jansen.
I'm
Okay.
super pissed.
Jansen, and you are who?
Take me to jail if you want.
I'd
I'm
like- I'd
Jillian.
like to-
It's Jillian.
Okay. I'd like to figure out what's
I'm
going
so
on.
mad right now. I have not given this guy the time of day for almost a year.
Okay.
And the reason I kicked him out of my house is because Jansen is it not.
Yeah.
Tell him the truth.
What do you want me to tell him?
Oh, the reason we kicked him out of our house is because this is him and John.
Yeah.
I promise you when
She's
you
not
go.
hit them.
Okay.
She's not hit it.
I'm so
I'm just
mad
saying
right now.
I'm just saying that's what was reported
didn't
to
call
us.
it.
And go ahead and check your dad right now.
I don't know who called.
Oh, is it your daddy?
No, he didn't.
Go ahead and go stroll down there to your father
Joe,
then.
I didn't say he called.
Guess what? When your dad says he called her on me,
He didn't.
okay.
He did
You
not
said,
call.
Look at your
Jansen?
father.
Will you step over here and speak with me for a second?
Wow, Jansen, that's awesome.
What do you want me to do? Tell him.
Dad,
Hey, I want to speak with him because
I'm not
he's
worried about
calming
you.
down, okay?
I'm not
You're
worried about
yelling,
you.
I can't get anything
Babe,
out of you. I
I'm
want to speak with him.
I can't tell him no.
I've had
What do you
one
want me
time
to
to
do?
do with his dad, now this. So yeah, I am upset.
Just try to take some breaths and let me talk to him
I
for a
took care of
second.
this for this
No,
year.
he just doesn't.
12,
he's so
14,
I
17.
understand, babe, but
I
what?
didn't do anything.
So what? Me?
Affirmative.
He said somebody
Look,
said that. They
Jillian,
were-
go talk to that officer right there.
I don't care.
All right, James, walk over here,
I'm
man.
sorry. Yes.
Let's step up here out of the roadway just because people don't pay attention. What's going on today? Like I told you what we got dispatched to.
And we went and had a few drinks at the stable. And
Okay.
then we came back.
I don't care.
And now she's acting ridiculous.
I want to talk.
Okay.
I don't have anything to do with any of this, honestly.
Okay. So you guys, we're
Came back to
here.
the stable. My dad was gonna go home. He lives over there.
All right. So you guys were here visiting.
Yes. We
Okay.
went to the stable and had a few drinks.
All
got some
three of you
food.
did, or just
Yes,
you and her?
all of us
Okay.
went to the stable and had a few drinks, and then
Okay.
and then we
Which
came
is
back.
totally
and now,
fine.
Now they're
Is your cruiser unlocked?
Yeah.
mad. She's mad about. I don't know what. Honestly, I have no idea what she's mad about. It's, I have nothing to do with. That happened a long time ago. It's just old. It has
Okay.
nothing to do with anything that's going on right now. And I
Came back here and
now
her
this-
and him got into an argument.
No, she just started getting pissed off about nothing. He
Okay.
didn't even do anything, honestly.
Okay.
So
So she got mad and was
She
taking it
does
out on
this.
you and him, or just him?
Pretty
Just
much,
both
yeah,
on
both.
both. Okay.
she
So why
does
would
this.
why would our caller?
I have
call
no
and
idea
tell
why
us
somebody
that
would say
say
that
it?
she was attacking him, because she wasn't. She was more on me than she was him.
Right.
I don't know why.
Okay.
Honestly. I
But
don't
she
know
was
who
probably
it was.
verbally yelling at
It's
him.
more
maybe.
verbally at me than it was her, him. I don't even know why anybody said that.
Okay.
Unless it was because he was close to me. I don't know.
It,
Honestly.
it could have been. Like I said, when I roll up and I see her dive through the
I know.
window of a car.
She took my keys, so I can't even leave.
Oh, okay. Is that your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just gonna go home, take her home and go home.
I got you.
But she took my keys, so we can't leave now.
She said a few too many.
Yeah.
Take her home.
I was just trying to take her home.
Yeah, no, I get you. And why did they start?
I did nothing wrong.
She. Just hang out with her. You're being cooperative, man. I appreciate that.
Hey, Brian. You said you didn't get assaulted. You didn't get hit.
Here's your ID,
You didn't
Brian.
get- You never got. You didn't get assaulted, right? You didn't. Nobody punched you. Right?
Obviously, we got to
what the
figure.
callers
That's
are
why
into.
we're trying to figure that.
Said that. She never hit him.
And then-
she never would.
We get calls all the time
My
where
dad. She never hit him.
Right.
Nobody hit me.
Jillian.
Your hair was off.
Okay.
Not breathe.
Clear 1913.
I'm having an asthma attack. I can't.
Do you want a medic?
Hold on. Can you let me out of here?
What is your social, please?
Look, can you let me out of here? You guys cut my hair off back there.
The air is on now.
No, they just
You
opened
need,
it.
okay, but you need to try to
No,
calm
you
yourself
guys cut
down.
it off.
What is your social?
Let this open up. You guys.
What is your social?
That man cut my hair off. Did you hear me?
I heard you.
Dr.
Jillian,
Nick
what
called
is-
me.
Jillian, I'm trying to work with you.
No,
What
I
is your
know, but he
social?
cut my hair.
Okay, I've got the air on.
I'm a severe asthmatic, but the whole time you're talking to him, is my air was. It was going on.
I know, but you need to try to calm yourself back down now.
I
The
know,
air
you
is
guys-
on. I'm here
Yeah, you
speaking
guys
with
have this on recording now that my
Okay.
hair's on, but he cut
Jillian, what's your social, please?
he cut my hair off. That guy did. Jillian, he cut my hair off.
Hey, Ryan.
Ryan, he cut my hair off.
Jillian, what's your social, please?
No, but when you shut the door, I was kind of near without it, and I have severe asthma.
Air conditioning's on.
No, it was when he opened it up, but when you shut me in, he goes off. I'm not doing this.
Okay, well, calm. You're
You guys are
calming down.
police, but he knows to cut my hair off.
What is your social, Jill?
I want to talk to a fucking paramedic. You guys are crazy. You knew.
5 seconds.
You knew when you shut those windows that I
The
was
la-
an asthmatic. I was like, you're dying.
Just take her to jail. Just take her to jail.
Yeah, take me to jail. Sir, you put me in here and I couldn't breathe.
Try your social. Last 4. One more time.
Sir,
Jill.
McKenny, I could not breathe.
She needs to go to the jail.
I was back here and
There's
could
no
not
way.
breathe, sir.
She's aggravated disorderly.
I'm
There's no
not.
way.
I'm back here and you could. I'm an
There's no way
asthmatic.
getting out of her. There's no way we can just send her out of
I'm
here.
an asthmatic and you put me in here.
Okay. Are you breathing okay now?
Now that the the window's on, yes, sir.
So you needed the window down? Is that what you needed?
Right,
To scream and
sir.
yell at people?
You're gonna have to like I'm sorry, sir.
Turn that one.
But you're gonna have to like unhook this to get it off of me. It will unhook right there. Yeah,
Turn that one.
it's fine. It'll hook.
Turn
Oh.
face the car.
Face the car, please.
Why am I being
I have
arrested?
no idea. I'm not involved.
Babe, they put me in the back of the truck and I couldn't breathe.
Marijuana in here.
Okay, Jill, sit back in the car, please.
Freaking out. I can't help it.
And can you also find my medical marijuana card in there?
Jill, please sit back in the car.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Thanks, babe. Thanks, Jansen. You and your God, thanks.
I didn't do this, babe.
I didn't. They put me in here and couldn't breathe.
I tried to.
Is her ID in there?
Babe, I couldn't breathe. Babe,
Nothing
I
wrong with
could
the
not
keys, no.
breathe. They locked me in here.
I know.
I have asthma and I have COPD.
Jill, I did everything I could.
But they
honestly.
locked me in here.
My
What
keys.
What did you do with the key?
Babe, what did you do with my key?
I don't have his key.
You ran off my key, took it out of my key ignition.
That's why you're.
I don't see it.
You
Dad.
took it out of my ignition.
I don't see an
Hey,
ID.
just stop. I'm going to jail already. Just can you give me my shit back? I did nothing wrong. Like you guys like suffocated me. Not you
Jansen.
guys.
Jansen?
Yeah. Yep.
Well, can you like at
Jillian, you didn't give me the last 4 of your
Sir,
social.
can you like
said,
at
I need
least-
the last 4 of your social.
I need you to
5'7",
like,
female,
like,
21.
get these handcuffs off to like
Okay, we're going. Tell me your social.
Jill,
What, baby?
If you don't identify yourself,
Shove down
then
your
you're
bra.
going
No,
to sit
I am.
in there
I've
to
already
jail.
told that,
keys.
sir.
You have my keys right there. I can see
Is
it.
that his key in the bra?
Where?
Right there in your bra. I can see it. Give it to me, please. Can I have my keys? Thank you.
Yeah, because you're sober, right? You're gonna drive home,
No,
right?
I'm gonna call
No,
somebody.
he's going to get a driver.
You and your daddy.
No, I didn't do any of this. Jill.
All right.
Clack Gillian was charged with aggravated disorderly conduct. Her bond was set at $325.